So Team India tested on the final night by arch rival Pakistan, but they sneaked in a 5-wicket win in the Asia Cup final, thereby bringing home their 9th Asia Cup title. It was a match worthy of a final. Pakistan scored 146. They were at one point, they were 113 for 1. That's because Sahibzada Farhan and Fakhar Zaman gave them a very, very good start. They lost their first wicket at 84 runs, 84 for 1, when Sahibzada Farhan was picked up by Varun Chakravarti. In fact, it was the night of the Indian spinners. 8 wickets were claimed by the Indian spinners between Chakravarti, Kuldeep Yadav and Akshar Patel. Kuldeep Yadav, the pick of the pack, going for picking 4 for 30 on the night. In fact, he bamboozled the key batters like Saim Ayub. He also picked up the captain Salman Ali Agha. Kuldeep Yadav had 2 more, Shaheen Afridi and Fahim Ashraf. And Pakistan endured a middle order collapse, which is why they scored 146 on the night. What about India? Well, India didn't have a great start either. They lost 3 wickets in 3 overs in the beginning. Abhishek Sharma struck by law of average. He was gone after making 5 runs on the night after having had a splendid tournament. And then Captain Surya Kumar Yadav, having promoted himself to number 3, was not able to fire on the night. In the very next over, he went. India were 2 for 10. And that wasn't all, because right after that, Fahim Ashraf picked up his 2nd wicket of the match. Shubman Gill was gone for 12 on the night. So 3 wickets in the 3 overs in the middle, but the middle overs were powered by Sanju Samson and Tilak Varma. Together, they in fact notched up a 57-run stand that was able to give India some kind of a relief in the middle overs, but wickets kept falling. It was an over of Haris Rauf, where he conceded 17 runs, which was the game-changing, match-changing over for India, as one would say. Dubey came in, Shivam Dubey came in and improvised some of the shots. In fact, he and Tilak Varma had a 60-run stand on the night. It was very good display by the Indian batters under a lot of pressure. They were from the Pakistani bowlers, particularly the spinners, who again picked up wickets in the middle. Fahim Ashraf had 3 on the night, but given the quality of the Indian batters, it was never going to be Pakistan's match. Tilak Varma was the standout performer of the night with 69 of 53 balls. He was ably supported by Sanju Samson, who scored 24, and Shivam Dubey coming in the end, scoring a 22-ball 33. Overall, perfect 10 for India. Despite some blips, some losses in the field, there were some heart-stopping moments, as one would say, in the lead-up to this final win. But India now finally lifts the Asia Cup. There was a controversy too when Jasprit Bumrah bowled Haris Rauf. He made a flying plane gesture, maybe responding to what Rauf did in the last match, the match on the 21st of September, for which he has allegedly been fined 30% of the match fees. There's still more suspense in Asia Cup. It's not all over, so keep watching.